Algebra 1A, Objective 5, Evaluating algebraic expressions for given values. So, let's start with this algebraic expression. X, y over y plus x. Let's make sure I'm on your screen first. There we go. Let's make x equals 3 and y equals 4. So basically, to do these, all I really need to do is anywhere I see an x, and I have two of them in this case, I'm going to put in a 3. Anywhere I see a y, I'm going to put in a 4. So 3 times 4 over 4 plus 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is different from solving an equation because it gives you all of the variables and there's no equal sign, right? There's no equal sign. Now I put one down here, but it's not like I have an equation where I'm trying to solve for a variable, right? Down here there are no variables left. We took them all out by replacing them with whatever number they're equal to. Let's look at another one. X over 2y minus z. X equals 2. Y equals 4. And am I still on your screen? Yeah, I am. Z equals 1. So let's go ahead and do this. X, I'm going to replace with 2. 2 times y, I'm going to replace with 4. Minus z, I'm going to replace with 1. Okay. There's actually more than one way I can do this first part here. I could either go 2 times 4, and it'd be 2 over 8, or I can reduce this. I can go 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 2 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. So this is just 1 over 4. 1 over 4 minus 1. Make sure I'm still on your screen. I'm falling off the screen again. Okay. 1 over 4 minus 1. Now that minus 1 I can rewrite as 1. This is just rewriting this. But I can write it as 4 over 4, right? If you have a dollar split up in 4 quarters and you have all 4 of those quarters, you still have a dollar, right? So I can write it as 4 over 4. This is important because when I'm subtracting across here, subtraction says I need to have the same denominator, and I just subtract the numerators. So 1 minus 4 is negative 3 over 4. So that's my answer on that one. By the way, just a refresher, negative 3 over 4 is the same as 3 over negative 4, which is the same as putting the negative out front. Okay, 1 minus sign is 1 minus sign, regardless of specifically where it is. So you don't have to worry about it. If there's 1 there, it's negative. If there's 2 there, they cancel each other out and it's back to positive. And obviously there's none there, that's positive as well. So this one I don't think is all that hard. I think you're going to be pretty successful on this one. And that's all I have for this one. But yeah, we're evaluating algebraic expressions for given values.